It's time to be a boss beauty and get ready for carnival with Casey.
Roll over high grade weed, smoke and food up. Them boy them can't in my class.
Pick your position, yeah, hey. Pick your position, pick your position, yeah, hey.
Tell me, how was your experience?
It was amazing. It was so nice. Everybody greeted us, the goodie bags, the makeup, everything lovely. It really had a nice vibe.
It was really good. All the conveniences you could even think of. Everything.
Really, what was like the highlight for you?
No, just like you walk in and like, you know, your wings might be too heavy. They took it away from you to put it aside. Like, it was really cute. And then the makeup, everything.
Those were on point.
It was very organized. When we went in, we knew exactly where to go. The food was on point, the drinks were on point. We had help putting on our costumes. The changing room was air conditioned.
Like a boss beauty. How was it at Casey's Boss Beauties today?
Well, it was a fantastic experience, you know, representing for Kana Hemp Energy Drink, sponsors of Casey's Boss Beauties. The event was classy. You saw all the girls. They looked beautiful, excited, ready for take on the road.
All right, Casey. Boy, you're so excited about this event. I saw it all over social media. What was it like today?
Oh, it was amazing. As you can see, I'm the last one getting done right now. I'm about to touch the road at almost 2 o'clock, but I'm so happy. I'm so pleased with the turnout today. Everybody was so happy how they turned out. Everybody felt so confident and beautiful, and it's all thanks to our artists here and, of course, our sponsors who made this possible.
Oh, yeah, we're there, yeah.
Four champion splash, and a team on a pour. Ten man a work, them a sleep and a snore. When you're get in a life, life sweeter for sure. Ha 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 ha. Wah with me wah, wah with me wah. Yeah. Wah with me wah, wah with me wah. Big yard, me a forget when me wah with me wah. Yeah. Benz a the car with me wah. Moolah the ya and no pardon me jaw.
What's up, that's where?
You want me step on the Liam? If you okay, come in and turn it up. With the car, so anytime in the car, pass me a chameleon. Session up, road, ready, Jaggy 17. Jump now, can't run, like we left 15. Everybody know.
I see DJ. One minute, girl, you on outside and I'm on the street. So we take boy, girl, for the fun of it.
When we did that, also take the money where you raise. I'm not in a year, so. And when I love y'all, who know I love it? Yo, you know dance and wind up your body like a toast and your body now.
Let's play low. I mean, let's do the dance for them. Let's come here, come on. Don't let me tear up the sheet. Play it on the back.
Y'all a wine for the boss, take off them shots and a bubble. Don't leave frost and a be a hard liquor. Three hot girl there when me gone with fire. No see me just a bra and a flask of money. Them a watch the style, you we killing it flare. Ding dong, they a ravers of the lair. Some a say me hyper for me money, me no care. Clean every day in the new Ramesh way. But nobody can style when it turns them mean. We don't take this lightly. Lick up our table, them girlfriend a pre-way. Up top pass, so we chain them costly. We just a bra and a flask of money, no.